And here we have the sidearm of the Flesh Hunters. Well, with a damage boost with these, aerodynamic spiky fins on it. Now, this is going to be a part of my contest, which I'm holding about the Georgia Vault lore. I have one entry, and I would like more. Oh, that fella there is just for the size comparison. It is my first ever handheld YouTube policy violator mock. It's a gun-looking thing, but it's not a gun. Now, forgot to put the safety on, but still. This is for how much power is left, or charge is left in the power cell that it uses, which is, I've already showed this off in a video, but I'll show it again. This, I think it's dark or antimatter core. I'll have to look to see if I'm correct or not, but I'll link the playlist in the doobly-doo below. Now, this is just for the power, the damage boost. Oh yeah, this is from a Hero Factory set that I got. Yeah. Now, for the accessories. First one. Now, the real one would have Picatinny rails. Picatinny rails are the rails on top and bottom of certain guns that lets you have scopes, sights, laser pointers like this, or lights. Now, dual laser pointers. Because, yes. Now, safety off. Yeah, safety on is like this, safety off is like that. And as you can see, perfect iron sights. Well, oh, this is disorienting. Right there, perfect iron sights. And iron sights are what we used before scopes were invented, kids. This is way before the bullet hell video games as well. Remember, kids. Now, the second accessory is a tactical flashlight. Well, this bugger right here. And what it does is, well, puts a flashlight on it. End of story. Now, the third and final accessory that I made is... The concept is strange, but I'm going to say it like this. It takes FLIR, forward-looking infrared radar, which is thermal imaging, night vision, and X-ray technology, and holographic technology, puts it all in one small package that is only for this weapon. And the rifle as well. Mind you, this is a heavily stripped down, gutted, and modified version. Actually, no. This was before the laser pistol and laser rifle in the laser weaponries. But you could say it's a modified version, I don't care. There it is. And with the holographic screen right here, you don't need to use the good old iron sights. Just have the safety off and, point it and shoot it. Now, this doesn't have a working trigger, but this is a trigger representation. It's nice in the hand. Now, the sets that I used as the base for this, the Lego Ninjago Dragon Masters. Yep. And, oh yeah, you're wondering about that fella right there. Well, I'll show you. Let me just... And, now, I just use it to help me take it off because it's easier. And just put that back in there, done. Now, in real life, you wouldn't, no, if this was real, you wouldn't need to do that. So I'm just going to put everything back on, just to show you the full package. And there it is. The fully upgraded Dark Matter pistol.